Hello there, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors, with a haul from TillyBeePlans. I do PR for TillyBeePlan, so you can use code Leslie20 for 20% off of your purchase. You can find them on Etsy or their standalone website. The standalone website does allow you to have point system and stuff, so that's the bonus with that one. So I did order some single sheets. I ordered these wax melt sticker sheets. I thought my husband got me a wax melt subscription kit, but he actually got me a candle subscription kit. So I misunderstood. It was part of my Christmas present. So I thought that these would be fun for putting down when they arrive and what scent I got. And I think it'll still work for that. I might look to see if there are some candle stickers out there or subscription stickers and see if I can use those. I do have a wax melt thing, so I could use it for that too. All right, and then I have been starting to play World of Warcraft with my husband about once a week. So I thought these would be fun to put in for that because it is a computer game. Because I haven't seen any World of Warcraft stickers. So you have a bunch of computer mice with different colors. And then I picked up this kit. I like to pre-plan out my kits for the year. So I saw this birthday kit that seemed very gender neutral. And so I thought I would use it for my son's birthday probably. Maybe my husband's, we'll see. I did add on the glitter headers because I feel like when I've been using her kits, I have wanted glitter headers. So I went ahead and did that as an add-on. This is also a bonus sheet of half boxes and washi chunks, which are fun to use. I have to incorporate those. And then here's the full boxes. So you have, it looks like wrapping paper right here. And then you have a birthday cake, balloons. Birthdays are the best days. I actually had some scrapbook paper that really looked like this a lot. Surprise, a candle, presents, happy, happy days. This one has a whole bunch of lists. It says things like party, my birthday, balloons, your day, my birthday, and then there's a bunch of presents on here. And then you have your full box checklist with the little stars. So I love that it's a regular full box checklist. Then you have your 2 Monday through Sundays. And then here's all the half boxes and headers. Love the bright colors. My son's favorite color, he jumps between red and a bright green. So perfect for him. And then we have the bottom washi, which looks like that wrapping paper box I pointed out. And then you have your Monday through Sunday. These are washi chunks, but I have stacked them before into a full box. So that's up to you. Here is our date covers. It looks very comical. And then you have some deco and your date dots and quarter boxes and a colorful weekend banner. And then you have your littles and then 6 freestanding checklists. And then I always save these. If I don't use them in the spread, they go in my sticker, the little book where you throw in extra stickers left over. I like to use them for that. So this one is called Birthdays Are the Best if you're trying to snag that one. Next up we have Bunny Mail. I know it sounds like an Easter kit, but it's not. So I added the glitter headers to this one as well. Look how pretty with that ombre coming out of the side. And then this is the bonus sheet with the half boxes and then little squiggle designs, little doodles. So look how cute. So it's actually a Valentine's Day kit. It just has a lot of bunnies on it. So I thought that was adorable. There's a Valentine's Day tree and you've got little bunny cupids. The Big Love double box right there, adorable. We were actually at a Mexican restaurant last night and they had already decorated for Valentine's Day and I just thought it was so cute that I might make my husband take me there for Valentine's Day because they already decorated and I liked it. All right, and then you have your half boxes checklist here, Monday through Sunday, some little freestanding boxes, some little sticky note boxes, and then your quarter boxes. And then you have some more half boxes and quarter boxes on this one. And then you have cute little flags here as well. And then there's bunny decos in the corners. They're on a little scooter together. And then you have your bottom washi. This one has 2 sizes. So there's the wider one and then the thicker one. If you're using an Erin Condren planner, you pretty much have to stack them to use at the bottom. But I like you can use it in any kind of planner kind of thing. And then here's your washi chunks and then your habit trackers. So there's those. And then I love this big, bold days of the week. I like that a lot. Lots of functionals on this one. There's your little date dots. And then here's a bunch of quarter boxes here at the bottom. These ones are flagged out. That's cute. And then you have, let me get that. Okay. You have 9 half checklists over here. And then you have some headers that you could use. Some more washi chunks or headers. they're all the size of headers, so you could use that as well. And then there's the weekend banner, and then this one has a bunch of scripts that you get to use, and then also has some functionals down here as well. I love that she puts her little bee on the coffee cup. That's so cute. And meal stickers. So that one is called Bunny Mail, and it's a Valentine's Day kit. So I might have to make my Easter bunny a little early, is what I was thinking. Okay, so we have that one. We have a birthday one, and we have a Valentine's Day one. So this one is actually an Easter kit, and it's called Happy Easter. I added the glitter headers to this one too, and they're purple. And then, so like I said, this one's just called Happy Easter. Literally says Happy Easter. This bunny is totally different than the other bunnies. And then there's some little chicks over here fighting over a worm. And there's some butterflies. I love the spring to this. There's a little chick hiding in his egg. Like, I'm not sure I want to come out yet. A little Easter bunny with his basket. Adorable. And then look at these little half box checklists. The little flower is the checklist part. And then you have your Monday through Sunday stickers and quarter boxes. These are freestanding dots. And then you have your like sticky note stickers. And then you have some more half boxes, some flags, and then all of your headers. That is a very bright yellow. Not even kidding you. And then there's your purple. And then we have the bottom washi. Look at that gingham plaid. And then the cute little doodle scalloped light pink washi. You have your habit trackers and then washi chunks varying in sizes. And then, oh my goodness, so cute. I love the headers, the pastel, like watercolor swoosh across. Love that. Cute, cute deco up here. Weekend banner is adorable with all those flowers and butterflies. And then you have some functional deco here. You have your date dots, and then you have quarter boxes, and 3 of them are flagged out. And then you have 6 full checklists here, and then you have 6 half checklists here, your littles, and then you have a bunch of those little functional deco stickers, which are adorable. Like I said, I saved those back for a week because I might not have a birthday that week. Easter week, I don't think so. So I'm going to save back that birthday sticker for all of our birthdays are in like October, November, June. Like our birthdays gets lumped together in my family for sure. So that is the Easter kit. So I have Happy Easter, and then I have Bunny Mail, and then I have Birthdays Are the Best as my kits that I ordered. And then I ordered some freestanding sheets here as well, so you guys could see those. And then I don't think I have my, do I have my freebie nearby? Yeah. So if you use my code, then you can get this freebie that says Leslie's Faves, and you can get all of those as well. So that's how it works. Use code Leslie20 for 20% off. Let me know what your favorite kit is, what you're most excited to see in my planner, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!